So you have created a great color palette using a preset that you really like. This video will show you how to store that palette inside the paint preset and then save the new paint preset. First, let's choose a paint preset and then let's make a palette. I'm going to go to the Natural Media category in Auto Paint and choose Acrylic Simple Bristle. This is how it looks in paint mode. I'm going to choose an image off of the internet to generate the colors for the palette. I will drag it over to my source image area. Next, I will choose Edit, Palette, Generate From, and then choose Source Image. This is what the palette looks like. Now I will reload the Lotus image into the source area. When I change to palettize, it will now use the color palette and render with the new colors. To save the palette in the preset, I will toggle to the editor and choose Paint Color Source Control Panel. Next, turn on Save Color Palette. If you want the palette to automatically work in paint mode with your saved preset, you will also need to change color mode to a choice with palette in the name. I'm going to choose RGB Match Color Palette. Notice there are numerous choices here. Any choice with palette in the name will use the stored palette in the saved preset. You have to have a palette setting in this color mode if you want the preset to use the stored palette in paint mode. You can also try the other settings as well, which will create a lot of different looks, and still use the palette as long as you manually switch to palettize mode in the source area. I'm going to now switch back to RGB Match Color Palette and save the paint preset by choosing Export Paint Preset. I can also control-click on a Mac or right-click on Windows in the preset icon area to export a preset. I have made a preset category folder in my AutoPaint collection called My Presets, and I will store the paint preset here. Remember, you have to store presets in the appropriate preset folders in your Studio Artist preset folder. If they are not in the correct place, Studio Artist will not be able to find them. For more information on saving presets, please watch the training video on saving presets. Palettes are a wonderful way to expand and personalize the factory paint presets. I encourage you to try them out.